Hi guys! Today I'm gonna show you how to make an elevated version of beef caldereta using Mama Sita's caldereta mix. Here's all the ingredients that you need. Let's start with the onion. Peel the onion and cut the onion into half. Cut the onion into big dice. Next, thinly slice the garlic. Cut the carrot into any shapes that you like. I'm cutting it into an oblique. I like to cut it like this for any stew dishes. Next, cut the potatoes into big dice. Cut the potatoes into half and then another half. And make 2 slices vertically. Repeat the same process for the other potatoes. Slice the cherry tomatoes into half. Transfer the tomatoes into a bowl and set aside. Next, cut the center of the green chili. If you like spicy, you can thinly slice the chilies instead. And this is what it looks like. Cut the meat into big chunks. You can also remove the fats from the meat if you want. Mine doesn't have much. Let me show you how to prepare the liver. That's the chicken heart. I'm gonna remove the chicken heart. Now I'm gonna mince the chicken liver. Start by slicing the liver vertically. And then slice it horizontally. Mince the liver using the knife. You can also blend the liver into a paste using a blender. But I personally like to have some texture in my caldereta. Now it's ready. Place a pan over medium-high heat. Add 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Once the oil is hot, add the beef and fry for 5 minutes. Season it with salt and pepper. Fry the beef until it's golden brown. When the beef is half cooked, remove it from the pan. Set aside. In the same pan, add the potatoes and carrots. Fry for a few minutes and stir well. After a couple of minutes, add the onions and sliced garlic. Fry for a few more minutes. Now, the vegetables are all brown. Add the beef back into the pan and stir well. Add the cherry tomatoes into the pan. Add the liver paste into the pan and stir well. Add 500 ml of water into the pan. Turn the heat to high heat and boil the stew. Add 1 packet of Mama Sita's Caldereta mix. Mix well. Cover with the lid and stew on low heat for 20 minutes. Stir the stew every few minutes to avoid burning. And repeat the same process until the stew thickens. Add the tomato paste and mix well. This is optional, but it really enhances the flavor. Skip the tomato paste if you do not have any. After about 20 minutes, the stew consistency is thicker. Once you're happy with the consistency of the stew, add the chilies. Add the green peas too. Mix well. Add the cheese into the pan. And use any cheese that you have at home. I only have Parmesan. Taste the caldereta and make the final seasoning. It's ready to be served. You can have it with rice, pasta, or bread. Enjoy my recipe and see you in my next video. Bye!